Tricolor activity. The materials required are A4 sheet paper, green color, white color and orange color origami papers. So these are origami papers which are easily available in markets. These are called origami papers. Blue color and green color sketch pen and a glue. So this is the origami paper. Then you have to fold it diagonally. Then the end of this you have to fold it. You have to fold its end, both the ends. So it looks, now it's in this way. Then you can take a glue and apply it. So you can take a glue and apply it where it's open. Now it gets stick. Now you can see this in the form of lotus. You can see. After that, you can do similar other two papers also. You can do similar other two papers. Then you need to stick the lotus. These are lotus. You need to stick the orange color lotus. Then the white color lotus. And then the green color lotus. This indicates a flag. The color of a flag. This indicates the color of the flag. Orange, white and green. This indicates the color of the flag. Orange, white and green. Then you can take green color sketch pen and draw for that one stem and the leaf. You can draw the stem and the leaf. Similar way you can draw for the three lotus also, three flowers. Then you can take a blue color and you can fill the water. As the flowers are in water, so you can use the blue color sketch pen for the indicating of water. This are the tricolor lotus. Now the activity is done. So this is our tricolor